this video I'm going to present about fluvial desert landforms. So fluvial desert landforms. So it is a desert region. Here rainfall is less. So here water availability is less, but the temperature variation is more. Temperature, because in the daytime the temperature will be very high and the night temperature will be very less. So these temperature changes also changes the rock structure and the rock lithology of that place. So all these factors affects the fluvial landform formation of landforms in that region by water action. So mechanical disintegration of rocks and water action causes development of many landforms in the arid and semi-arid region. So these landforms are Badland, Bolsons, Pediments, Bajadas and Playas. So badland, it is formed in the regions of weak sedimentary formations which are eroded by numerous rills and channels. Suppose here rainfall is occurring and it forms many small streams and which or water streams which erodes because it is a sedimentary structure, it erodes the landforms which is there in that arid and semi-arid regions. So these landforms develop in the regions having occasional rainfall, and due to linear fluvial erosion, ravines and gullies are formed between narrow ridges. So this kind of landforms are formed. It will have ravines and gullies, and surface become uneven and corrugated. So this region is not fit for cultivation because it's a sedimentary landform. Again, such kind of rainfall occurs. Again, it's going to erode this region and it will form many gullies and ravines. So next one is Bolsons. It's the intermountain basins in the arid and semi-arid regions called Bolsons. So we can see that it's a mountainous region. Here it's a mountainous region, and between this region, which is called as intermountain region, also it is also called as Bolson. And these landforms are characterized by three unique landforms. They are pediments, bajadas, and playas. So bajadas, in this image we can see bajadas are alluvial fans, so which are deposited like this. So here we can see that bajadas are so it's deposited like this, alluvial fans which are it is a depositional feature. It is deposited here at the foothill zones of these mountainous regions. And the playas, so this is a playa lake. Here water is flowing. Suppose rain is coming, the water flows down and it forms a small lake here. This is called playa lake between this mountainous region. So let us see about playas. These are ephemeral streams. So it's a small streams and it's not a continuous stream. So when the rain is flowing, these streams also flow. They originate from the surrounding mountain areas and drain into Bolsons. So that is so suppose this is a mountainous region. This is the playa region. So the water drains like this and it is collected and it forms playas. This water collected in the center of Bolsons and form temporary lakes are called playas. This is also called as kabari shards in different regions. Aerial extent ranges from few square meters to kilometers. Evaporation of playa lakes results in the formation of encrustation of alkaline material salt deposits called salinas. So suppose in this region which has water and it becomes evaporated because this is arid region, temperatures are high. So these waters are evaporated and forms a deposition of salts in this region, which is also called salinas. Next one is bajadas. As I said, bajadas are depositional features here. So deposition because the water is flowing down and it deposits whatever materials, fine materials which it brings along with that, it deposits at the foothill zones. So which is also called as bajadas. Formed due to coalescence of several alluvial fans, it is a depositional feature. Slope of upper part ranges between 8 degree and 10 degree. But the lowermost slope near to the playas become 120 degree. So because here suppose here it is a mountainous region, here the slope gradient is high, but at the playa region, so the slope gradient is less. Next, pediments. They locate between mountain front and bajada in intermountain basins, and these are erosional landforms extend to several kilometers. These are broad, extensive and gently sloping areas of rocket surfaces spread around the mountain basins. Suppose this is a mountain and this is the mountain basin region. So here pediments are formed and the slope gradient varies between 1 to 7 degrees. So these are all about pediments. This is all about the fluvial